TVU Channel makes it simple for anyone to create custom channels for increasingly targeted audiences. Enter pre-recorded feeds in a monthly or daily schedule from the TVU Channel user interface. First, open a web browser and enter channel.tvunetworks.com and press Enter. Second, in the Workbench user interface, click Create a Channel. In the Create a Channel pop-up, enter a channel name. Next, click the Format drop-down menu and select a format for the video resolution and frame rate. If you want to add a channel logo, click the plus icon and select a local file. Next, click the Region drop-down menu and select the closest region for the cloud servers to run your channel. If desired, you can create an initial folder structure in the Show Folders field to help organize your media files by typing in folder names separated by commas with no spaces. Click the Broadcast Daytime drop-down menu and select a broadcast day. Next, click the Save button. Finally, hover the mouse over your channel and click the Enter button to start programming. To change your program settings, click the channel name in the top left corner of the window to return to Workbench. Then click the three dots in the top right corner of your new channel to open the Settings pop-up window.